President Donald Trump has cancelled his special envoy Steve Witkoff's trip to Pakistan after Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi left Islamabad just before the US delegation was due to arrive. Washington had earlier said Mr Witkoff and Jared Kushner were travelling to Pakistan for peace talks, but Tehran said Mr Araghchi never had plans to meet the Americans.
Passengers queuing at Tehran's airport this morning as flights resumed for the first time since the outbreak of the war. But the eyes of the world were on the comings and goings from Islamabad today. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi arrived in Pakistan last night for what he said were bilateral talks. The White House then announced that Special Envoy Steve Witkoff and the President's son-in-law Jared Kushner were on their way to Islamabad for peace talks with Mr Araghchi. But Tehran insisted that no direct talks were planned, and the Foreign Minister had no authority to discuss the nuclear programme. Mr Araghchi met a number of Pakistani officials today, including Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, and this evening his delegation was seen heading to an airbase in Islamabad as Tehran announced he had left. Shortly afterward, President Donald Trump told Fox News that his delegation was no longer going to Pakistan. Fox News reports he said Iran could call them any time, but the US wasn't making any more 18-hour flights to sit around talking about nothing, and that the US had all the cards. With Iran peace talks seemingly in tatters, the ceasefire in Lebanon is hanging by a thread, despite the 3-week extension announced by President Trump yesterday. Israeli forces killed 6 Hezbollah fighters in exchanges in southern Lebanon, and another 4 were killed in Israeli strikes, according to Lebanese media. Hezbollah dismissed the extension as meaningless, as both sides accused each other of breaching the truce. Donald Trump said yesterday he was in no rush for a peace deal, but neither, it seems, is anyone else. Fergal Gallagher, RTE News.